There's this dua, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. You have to start reciting this dua. It is amazing. The literal meaning of Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil is that Allah is sufficient for us and He is the best disposer of all affairs. This is so meaningful that He is sufficient for us. All of us are alone at the end of the day. No matter how close you are to any other human being, you are born alone and you are going to die alone, and the only one you have with you here is Allah. So Allah is sufficient for you, and He is the best disposer of all affairs. So this is a powerful dua. You need to start reciting it to have strong tawakkul. Now, this is a point which I have used to really build up a very strong tawakkul. So, what I did was, I have always reminded myself that Allah has been there for me even when I didn't trust Him the most. Okay, every difficulty or any hurdle in life has been taken care of by Allah, even when I didn't ask Him or even when I didn't make enough dua. So, Allah was there for me no matter what. So remind yourself of the challenges of the hard times when you weren't that close to Allah, or you didn't even make dua, yet Allah took care of you, yet Allah took care of the situation. So once you start reminding yourself like that, remembering that Allah was there for you, automatically you will start trusting Him, that yeah, he Allah was there for me even then. So why do I think that Allah will not be there for me in the future? So you need to talk to yourself like that. This is the last point. So I started practicing that, the fear of what if. I started replacing this with even if. I still tell myself that, whenever the fear happens about, let it be about anything, any exam or any friendship breaking or any like anything going wrong or anything which is causing me hurt or uh, fear. I would just, your mind tells now, what if this, what if that. I would be like, even if what even if this happens or even if that happens, Allah is there to take care of me, and this is Allah's plan. Nothing would happen without Allah's will, and if this has happened or this is happening, it is by Allah. So Allah is there with me. I'm so sorry. Allah is there with me and He will bring good for me from this. This is it. You need to start, tawakkul is about affirming and talking to yourself through through things, so that you start believing in Allah. It, in a way, it is very easy, because once you get to that point, once you start practicing it, it will become a lifestyle. Like it'll just become a habit that, you start just relying on Allah very, very easily for everything. Also remember that you need to also know that Allah's plans may not match your plans. Okay, so you have to understand that point, that sometimes unanswered duas are protection, closed doors are protection. Like, Allah's plans are so much better than our plans. And he if we are losing something, Allah is basically preparing us, for to preparing a room for something better. So just know this. And yeah, these are the tips or whatever I did to build my strong tawakkul. I hope this will help you all also. Take care. Allah Hafiz.